There's a lot of chicken bones on that plate.
Lemon. Oh Lord, that's bad for a kid. Mama's bad influence for a kid. No, not allowed to go there. Kuya Warner! Portia, don't look at me! Don't! No! Portia! Don't look at Mama, okay? Portia, no! Kuya Warner! I need to give the rabbit.
Good job, Force G.
No.
Go ahead, baby. Climb the tree. Careful, baby. Careful. Mama's in the tree. Oh! It's raining mangoes. Baby, don't drop them on the man's car. Where is that one? Oh, there's another one. Yeah, come out of that tree. Oh, there's another one.
That's enough. Wait, we want to get there. My
Careful. All I saw was a big pink something. Baby, you got in the tree. You get yourself out of the tree. Baby, you tearing up the man's plants. Man, all that just to steal 3 mangoes.
Don't watch me, Forrest. No. Don't look at me like that. I will pick you one tomorrow. Oh, no. Forrest, don't look at me. Close your eyes. Maria, pakita sa. Close your eye, Forrest.
Maria, get the mango, sweetie.
Oh no. No.
Surendra.
Son. Well, that's my shirt, man.
Portia, don't look at me! Portia, no, don't look at me! Portia, no.
You got the mangoes.
Ay!
Whoa! Whoa!
No!
He's going after the third one. Look at him. He's going after the last one, baby.
Let's go, we go. Chop this belly.
You gonna chop it up now?
Yeah.
And folks, y'all see the stress I'm under. Every day. Filipina wife number 2 goes out hunting for mangoes. You know, you're walking along, looking left, looking right, enjoying the scenery. She's looking up. She's looking at trees, seeing what kind of fruits are up there that she can borrow. So, now folks, this is my buddy's tree, and he ain't getting up in the tree, climbing up in the tree, getting the mangoes. So if she don't get up there and get them, usually mangoes fall to the ground, they're rotten. I don't know, the birds eat them. So some of y'all might be under the impression that she's stealing said mangoes, but we're just joking. She ain't stealing no mangoes. There's so many mangoes on the trees, you just can't get them all. They just end up rolling out on the road and cars run them over. Here, if we don't get them, they'll just be rotting in the yard. The tropics provide. I mean, we got a mango tree there you just saw, and right here is a calamansi tree. Calamansi is like a little miniature lime if you've never been to the Philippines. We have calamansis all over the top of that tree. You can't get to them. You got to either get a longer pole or get the big long extension ladder, but they're way up there. So anyhow, it is a beautiful hot day here. Luckily there's a nice cool breeze coming through. It's a Sunday afternoon and we are just chilling. Maria's off here to my left side playing with the dirt with the dump truck, and sweetie, are you doing luto?
Yeah.
So she's cooking over there with the dirt and the mud and everything else. And life is good, my friends. Yeah, they get so dirty out here. They got the best of all worlds here. You know, they got concrete to run around, ride the bikes, but they've got this little like flower bed right here to play in the dirt. And Forrest G goes in there, acts like he's in the woods. So just a perfect place. And we can let them run loose over there on the dirt, but not the dirt, on the grass over there. But we got the baby rabbits in there, so if you cut them loose and you don't supervise, they might be over there messing with the baby rabbits. But he's got a nice little grassy area over at my buddy's place he can play on too. All right, wife number 2 is chopping up those mangoes. Ain't no time like the present. And we'll just all enjoy 3 mangoes, courtesy of the gods and my buddy Warner.
And this is Maria. It's the same for if you like salt, not the sweet, no? It's salty.